finally got a cell phone mount. Now I gotta set it up, but anyway, this is me, baby. Let me see how this shit works. Bam. What's up, baby? I'm official. I'm official. I'm gonna take the dog out for a little get along. I think we're gonna be going to a place near the college. But I just wanted to try this mount thing out just to see how much better the videos are, and it's way better because it's like right here now. So cool, man. Hell yeah. Nice come up. Fuck, I'm gonna go to San Bruno Park and see. I know how to get there without MapQuest. No, I think I know how to get to the other place too, so. But anyway, it's a good day, right? Don't worry about the things moving. It's part of my mirror. Good Sunday. We're breathing, doing our best to survive. Free to do what we want. I'm noticing though, like my mind just kind of goes crazy a little bit, but I'm becoming more aware of it, you know. Becoming aware of the mind when it's like overstimulated. Overstimulated or trying to go out, overreach. Open this garbage can over there. There's like another box. Overreaching or like doing too much. But I don't know. I feel like there's really not a lot to do, and you're never doing too much. Sometimes you want to chill out, like today. Like I know I have to take my dog out for a walk, so that's what I'm doing now. The morning was pretty busy. Went shopping. Just did basic Sunday stuff, shopping, running errands. We're gonna have a little get together for my grandma, so I need to see hotels. I don't know if the lady was just saying what she had to say, but what she told me didn't really make sense. Because when you reserve a room, then you should be able to get the room. You should get the room that you reserved, and if you want rooms in certain areas, you should be able to get that. I'm assuming, right? You're paying $200-something per room, but I guess that's not how it is at the hotel I went to, so I need to go check for another hotel. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the same place tomorrow, but talk to another lady that I guess we kind of know a little bit. It's a walk. I just go way into the corner, way into the back where nobody's at, so we'll be fine. Nobody's gonna bother me, hopefully. Hopefully there are no coyotes. Or whatever, if there is, there is. We'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. He's familiar with the area anyway, so he'll be fine. I just don't feel like driving far and taking them, so it's just one of those days, man. I'm not gonna force the issue, you know what I mean? I think I gotta go right here. Yes, I have to go right, then you go left. It's a cemetery. Last time there was a coyote here, but I think it should be fine. Let's see. It's pretty empty. There's nobody here, which is good. This is what I like, just quiet place. It's a quiet place. Close to the house, you can run around for a little bit. Let's see, where are we going? I've never been over there. Maybe we should go over there. It's all just land, man. It's crazy when you look at a cemetery. There's so much land, just dead people. It's crazy, bro. There's so much land, dude. So much land. The good thing is there's nobody here, so this is exactly what I like. Let's see, where could we park? I don't want to be in the way. So I like to find like a little corner area. Man, these roads are so bad. Holy golly. But other than that, man, I'm grateful that I got this mount, man. It's way better. You get to see my ugly face more. Anyway, I'm gonna take him out. I just wanted to try this new thing out. $20, worth it. It connects to the vent, plug it in, and there you go. See, I don't know if I could park here, but fuck it, we parking right here. It's a simple. Anyway, have a good day. Sunday, I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna go walk up there and come back. It's nuts. It's all for that land. Peace.